So, hi Megha. Good evening. It's so lovely to see you. You're looking beautiful, I must say. And it's really amazing to see how time has just passed by. And it's been more than 6 months we were together in the diamond membership. Of course, you were my gold member as well. So you covered all the distance of 47, silver, gold, diamond, and you have reached here. And this is a space which I think you must have been looking for long, where you can, be ready and take on the world and become a healer yourself. So many congratulations to you on that. And I would like to hear from you. What's your experience with Go Nature, with the different memberships you have taken, and where do you see yourself from here? Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon. And thank you for the compliment. And you are always bright and shining. Maybe I just look good 1 or 2 days. You're always looking good. Touch good. And I want you to stay like this forever. And it has been a beautiful journey for me. And every word that I'll say today is directly from my heart. Nothing exaggerated or nothing to nothing to flatter anybody. I started with 47 rupees workshop as everybody does. And from there, it was a hook that got created in me by Vishal sir and immediately came into silver. Whatever he kept teaching me in the 47 rupees workshop, then in silver, then I met you in gold, and then luckily again in diamond, you are there for me. I have followed everything, tried following everything to the perfect T, what Vishal sir has taught me. And my life has actually gone upside down. It's a 360-degree reversal. And it has been a beautiful change that has come into my life. So I shall always remain indebted to Go Nature, to Vishal sir, and obviously to you, ma'am. Like I always say, you are like my mother. So Vishal sir actually gave me a purpose. Go Nature actually gave me a purpose in my life. I am a CA by my profession. I worked in an organization for 18 years, and after that I got married. I quit my job. I was home and I was just trying to find what I want to do. Okay, and I tried my hands at a lot of things. And then suddenly Vishal sir came into my life, and he actually molded me into a naturopath. He crafted my career. It's like this. It is because of him that I'm here today. Okay, I did not join this workshop because I wanted to heal myself. Yes, that is an added advantage that I got. I healed myself. I cured so many things that I was facing, so many problems that I was facing. But yes, the actual journey of being a healer, of who I am as a person, it's just because of Vishal sir and obviously you, ma'am. The way you deal with me, or I see you handling things around you, and the way you have, held my hand and brought me till here. So it has been so loving and so caring that I did not feel that I was being, treated. I'm a patient. Okay. I always felt that I am a part of this family. And Jyoti ma'am is actually like my mother. She's my mother and she is, telling me ये गलत है ऐसे मत करो वो मत करो ऐसे कर लो वैसे कर लो ठीक है. So I can actually share out my heart with her. This is what I've learned with you, ma'am. And when I have few people around me whom I'm trying to heal, so I do the same. I at least try and be the same as you, as a replica of you. So wherever I get stuck, I will always feel what will Jyoti ma'am do? Okay, how will she explain things to me? Maybe I will not be able to do the same job as you are doing, but yes, I will try and imitate you. Okay, it's always like this. So and when I get back the feedback, I get the feedback from my people whom I'm treating. I feel very happy and I feel cared for. It's like, as you say that whatever you give, you'll get back. So if when I give them care, they also give that care back to me. So it's a very beautiful, special feeling that I get, and it's a very contented feeling. Okay. So I was thinking, like just 5 minutes before we started, I was thinking that what is the difference between the career, the profession that I had, and what I am doing here. So it's like that contentment is there, that satisfaction is there, that peace is there, that yes, I am bringing smiles to people. Yes, I am bringing the faith in them that they can reverse their diseases and be healthy again. I think so. I could feel what Vishal sir must be going through, or what you must be going through. When you feel your clients who reverse their diseases and get healthy, what blessed feeling you must be having. So it's a beautiful feeling, and that keeps me charged day and night. And I keep working on the same grounds. So it's a beautiful feeling, ma'am. And and this is one reason that I work very confidently. Okay, so even if I'm scared, that this disease maybe is difficult, or maybe I don't know whether the diet will work or not, but I will always feel that Jyoti ma'am will be confident while giving it. Okay, so then I also tell myself that yes, I am also confident. Okay, so it's actually your replica that I'm trying to be, and probably that is what gives me confidence, that is what gives me faith, and that is what keeps me moving. And I will always try and follow what Vishal sir says. So I will watch the videos again. I will try and implement whatever he teaches us. He has created and crafted a very beautiful diamond journey for us. Very thoughtful journey. Initially, we could not understand why, why this, then why this. So there was a lot of confusion, but now all the puzzles are being solved. Everything is falling into their own beautiful places. So if he says that I am supposed to create my own social media accounts, I have created it. I am supposed to have a different phone, I have a different phone for it. So whatever he says, I might do it in a little delayed manner, because I'm learning, I'm understanding. But I will definitely implement it at the end of the day. And yes, they work. Every system works. Everything that he says, it actually works. It's like magical, the day I start implementing it, it'll start happening. It's like the ball will start rolling on its own. So he's like a magician for me now. Okay, so just follow him blindly and don't apply your brains to whatever he's saying. So it is a very beautiful. I do not have another word for beautiful. Okay, so it's so wonderful, and it is so peaceful, blissful feeling to be here, a part of this group. And there have been a lot of things, like I said that I'm a Ho'oponopono certified healer. So I keep taking some workshops here and there. But I remember you telling me, but I do not have the faith to start a proper full-fledged course for it. But I remember you telling me that one person is equal to 1 million. So even if nobody shows up, you show up. Okay. Even if one person shows up, you show up. Okay. So that pushed me. So whatever you say, that leaves so much of impact on me, that pushed me. Then I will take action. Then I will start doing things according to that. Okay, I am available. I will do this. I'm ready for this. Ready for taking a workshop. Okay. So all these things, all the motivations that you're giving us, it's priceless, ma'am. It's actually priceless. And probably no matter how much I keep saying that it is wonderful, it is beautiful, and I'm thankful to you, probably I will never be able to say that, or give that gratitude towards you, that I am really thankful that you have supported me, and you have told me, and you have guided me through all this. Okay. It takes a lot of efforts, it takes a lot of energy for you to stay in that spirit, to stay where you are, so that you can pull us through. And it is commendable. It is commendable for the entire Go Nature team, to you, to Vishal sir, to Shikha ma'am, Lavina, all the people who are working in your team whom we don't even know. There are I'm sure a lot of people we don't know. I don't know them, but I know that it is because of all of you that I'm standing here today, and I'm talking to you like this. Okay, and a heartfelt thank you to you. There's so much that I can talk, so much that I can say. Um, I don't have words for it, but yes, definitely. I want to say that I am a miniature. I want to become a miniature of Vishal sir and you. Okay, I will try and imbibe everything what you and Vishal sir gave me. And I know that even if I am able to reach 1% of you, I'll excel. I know this very well. So it's been a very beautiful journey, ma'am, with you and with Vishal sir, with the entire team. Really, God bless you. And I just hope that you keep doing such wonderful, wonderful work throughout your life. And you be blessed with everything that you guys want.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was actually really wonderful listening to you. The way you were pouring your heart out, the way you were pouring your emotions out, it actually speaks volume of you that you have a beautiful heart yourself. And I must tell you, Megha, every individual is unique. Every person on this earth is unique. You are an individual, you have your own uniqueness, and you can shine in your own unique way. You know? So you have all the attributes, you have all the qualities of becoming a good healer. I see that in you. You know, you are gentle, you are polite, you have a beautiful heart, you care, you're caring for others. So I think that's what a healer actually should be. So I really, really wish that you really grow and shine and go out in the world, heal people, heal your loved ones, heal yourself, and help the entire society and the world. So now coming to your experience, like have you started taking, you can gather yourself. So have you started taking clients as till now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm already working on 4 people. And so I'll tell you, I have patients with thyroid, BP, urticaria, and skin pipes. So these 4 people I'm already treating. Today I've got 2 more leads for asthma and obesity. So probably I will start with their diet plan as well
And
soon.
and you are started taking little charge also, like, because that is when the person gets serious about it. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I'm charging them little, but I'm charging them.
So you're feeling confident that in 6 months you have learned so much that you are there to take on clients also. You feel happy about it. You feel confident
Yes,
about it.
yes, yes, absolutely, ma'am. That is what I was telling you that whenever I have to make a diet plan, no, I just sit, close my eyes, think about you, and then I sit and make my diet plan.
Yeah.
And that is something honestly that I'm saying. Okay, ज्योति मैम ने ना मेरा ऐसे बनाया होगा, ठीक है? तो it's like this.
Thank you so much.
So
It means a lot. I think you are actually on it, and I see it in you that you will really do very well for yourself. And do stay in touch. And anytime we are there to guide you, to help you. So I have told all my students I'm just a call away. So all the very best to you. I wish you good luck. I wish you all the happiness and good health in the world, and may you become the best healer ever. Okay.
thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you
much.
for all your
Thanks.
blessings. They mean so much to me.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you. God bless you.
And
God
thank
bless.
you. And please convey my regards to Vishal sir.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. God bless you, Vita. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.